Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? Hope you're all good. So, I know it's been a little bit, but here I am gonna do a pick a card reading for you again. Been working on membership program for people. So, if you're interested, you can check that little join button down below. I'll leave a link in the top comment along with the timestamps. I don't do chapters, I do timestamps in the top comments for those of you who use the mobile devices. So this is going to be no contact reading. I don't care if, you haven't spoken in a month, a year, 2 hours, 24 days, whatever. No contact. Will they contact you? And if they do, what are they going to say? Okay? What are they going to say? What are they going to do? All right? Is their attitude going to be different? Okay? So, to help you decide which you would like to get your reading from, I've got these little cute stones. First of all, this one is love. Thought this was interesting. Courage. Dream. And peace. Okay, so if you want to pause the video however you would like to do it, and we will start off here with the love. Okay, love people, I have the Moonology deck here. I kind of split it up, as you probably could tell, for each, so we'll just put love stone here. No contact, right? We want to know, is this person going to speak with us? Will they reach out? And if so, I'll try to get you a when, but most importantly, it's if, okay? I'll leave these out and bring love into the situation. Bring love into the situation. Interesting because it's, the love stone there. All right, I want to go ahead and use my Arcanum deck. New moon in Aquarius. Perhaps you are the Aquarius or your person is. Aquarians are full of love. Humanitarians, even though they may not seem like it all the time. They're too busy in their head, maybe. Oh, hold on one second. I thought I saw somebody flipped in the deck. Nope. All right. The devil. I mean, this person may have a fear of contacting you. I would say they do feel a connection with you. They may think you're the devil. Perhaps there's some obsession going on there. I saw the World card. That's the card that I thought was flipped in the deck, and I'm not sure if that's the one that just fell on the table, but nope. Damn. The Ten of Cups. Also, this devil is, it's a highly lustful card as well, guys. It does speak of addiction if this is part of your journey. I'm just going to say it and leave it. I do not judge, okay? I'm not somebody that should be doing that anyway. Nobody should. Nobody should be judging you for anything. So we also have the Ten of Cups, and it seems as though this person here is thinking maybe, you know, you're someone that they would like to have family with. Their heart is full with you. They probably have not even said that to you, but, and this could be white devils here. They could be afraid to tell you. They don't know what you're going to say in return. For some of you. Some of you, it's like, yeah, they're going to know what I'm going to say. I've already said it. Ace of Swords, of course, it's the communication card, isn't it? It's also the card of triumph, clarity, honesty. So if this person was a bit of a schmuck before, you know, up and down, all around, hot and cold, mixed messages, all those wonderful things that drives us crazy, seems like they want to cease that and actually come out with the truth. Their truth. Who's that? That's King of Cups. There's love written all over this read, guys. This is somebody who wants to offer you love. Love in a very mature way. None of this game playing, you know, see what's out there better. If there is anything, maybe they've already tried that, discovered how there's nothing better out there for me. They may find you a little mysterious. You've got this good old High Priestess there. If you are High Priestess, they may be scared of you a little bit. You might creep them out. Not that it's funny, but it is, you know. You know, highly spiritual person. They may know that. And if you're powerful enough, it may just give them cause for pause. Like, okay, this person's going to see right through me, you know. Little do they know that typically High Priestess does not read for herself. It's rude to read other people, and if they don't ask you to, you know, it's like, hey, let me tell you all about yourself, even though I'm probably, you know, 85% wrong about everything, but you know. I just don't, I don't know. Someone wants a reading, they'll come to you for it, is all I'm saying. Hierophant. Well, I know it landed way over there, but it belongs here. They have been receiving messages from their higher self. Could be their guides. That, hey, you know what? Follow your heart. Give it a shot. Don't drive yourself bonkers. Just, you know, reach out. Say something. Ye of little faith. So, as I said, they probably went around town, went around the world looking for a better lover. Okay? There was a choice to make. There's a choice, decision. they, they could have, well, this could be an old-time relationship is what I'm about to say. And they could have actually had a whole entire other family with someone else. But that devil, you never went anywhere. You've got this tie. And in some ways, it could be considered toxic. If this person's thinking about you 24/7, 7 days a week, maybe it goes both ways. Maybe you're doing the same thing. That can become toxic. I just saw justice at the bottom of the card. So as I said, deck, I mean, see, person could be married. Here they come. Here they come with something to say. Knight of Swords. I'm not sure if there's a lot of trust. I'm just getting, there's a trust issue going on here. And it's probably from your side, or maybe both. Okay, I'm not saying you are an angel. Maybe a person doesn't trust you. Maybe you don't trust them. Entirely. Doesn't mean you still don't want to speak with them. Oh, the Fool. The damn Fool. Leaps of faith, right? Taking a chance. Starting off on a new adventure. They discovered that they do have a real love in their heart for you. Maybe they didn't explore it before. Perhaps they just kind of dismissed it. Like, what has love got to do with it? Good old Tina Turner is coming through for me right now. And as time goes on and we get older, this person could be feeling their mortality and having a lot of regret. Bottom of the deck, we've got the Five of Cups, So, will they contact you? I would say they are going to be contacting you. They are kind of being nudged to do it. You maybe, as in that High Priestess showing, maybe you are trying to manifest. Maybe you are calling out to them. Maybe, possibly, more than likely, if you're attracted to this reading my channel, it's a pretty good bet you are. So I would say that, they will be. I just get kind of like this weird sense that they're not coming straight for you. It's sort of coming through the side door. You may have people in common, and perhaps they, feel your temperature, so to speak, before they do arrive or reach out to speak to you. I do think this person was a total jackass to you at one point in time. Again, running off. And possibly, again, with a third party thing. Juggling you and someone else. I got the Two of Pentacles. So, do yourself a favor and ask the hard questions if they do try and reconcile. Six of Swords. Being called to get a love oracle before I head off, okay? And here we go. To the extended reading. Again, I've done the memberships, and the higher tier gets the extendeds for free, and you will find the code in the community tab. for anyone who is that level member. Keep an open mind. Okay. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Well, I'm feeling like we need to send this over to your person and be like, come on, you could have figured this out years ago. And if it hasn't been years, then good, right? Sooner than later, I guess. Okay. So guys, till the next time, leave me a message in the comments, say hello, drop me an emoji. Also, if you are a member, you get those cute little emojis that I made. So, anyways, talk soon. Namaste. So, for anyone who has chosen courage, or our second selection here about the no contact and will your person contact, let's get us a Moonology card. Kind of doing this a little differently, I guess, than I typically would. Work through your fear. Work through your fears. Not fear, fears. Plural. Okay. New moon in Scorpio. Could be dealing with a Scorpio, perhaps. Isn't it interesting, too, the courage, the courage rock, fear, 7 of Cups, choices, decisions, confusion, 7 of Pentacles. Hey, let's wait around and figure it out when the time is right. No, we're just looking for a conversation, right? We're not looking for anything grandiose. Like, hey, you know, I haven't talked to you in about 14 years, but let's go get married or whatever. King of Swords wants to cut through the bullshit stuff. This card fell out in a very weird way, but I'll keep it anyways. So we've got the Ace of Cups here, the King of Swords. Yeah. So, you know, you're dealing with an individual who really doesn't like to wear his heart on his sleeve, you know. There's love there, okay? There's possibility of new love coming through. More than likely, he's thinking about it and definitely afraid to try. I'm getting a sense your person's probably like all or nothing, you know. Maybe like a fire sign, like fast and furious and just let's get it moving, and thinking that, okay, well, if I contact this person the next day, I'm going to be living with them. All right. I find Scorpio people very changeable in that regard. Like, they can sort of, they're chameleons, kind of, you know. Of course, we have this King of Swords here, which is air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Doesn't have to be. We've got the 8 of Cups and the 5 of Wands. This one, you know, there's don't know what the hell to do. So you see, they turn their back. They've got this internal struggle. I feel like your person wants very desperately to experience true love, but maybe is afraid to try, fear of losing it somehow. This is a general reading, but it does feel like a person that has experienced some trauma or at least a great deal of pain in their life surrounding love. All you really want is a freaking phone call, text message, right? Or do they really know what you're aiming for, right? I think we all know it's more than just, a phone call. But I think maybe a lot of you guys do want to know how your person's doing after this time, and, and that's all it is. Yeah, temperance, balance, patience, head and heart, putting them on the same page. I really get a sense from whoever's watching this. It's like, I don't need total 100% commitment and the all the stuff that people think should go with it. And yes, this would be nice, but I just really want to speak with this person. I have a great deal of love for them in my heart, right? Would love to know how they're doing. And for some reason, they're a chicken bird. Of course, they're coming off King of Swords. You would never know. Yeah, because they want to give you love. And again, I'm not saying that you probably wouldn't be very happy with the love. It's just, let's, put balance in here. This person has more than one fear. Like, yeah, like I said, fears, plural, double. They don't want to give up. They're a fighter. I mean, they've learned things along the way. They do see, you can you see the blindfold is off of this person. Their eyes, they're tired, maybe they're ready to give it one more shot. I mean, look, for one, they're the ones that are thinking the marriage. They're the ones that are thinking, the commitment, the stability, I've got to, do this, I've got to do that. It starts with a hello, how are ya? It's interesting. I feel like, of course, you wouldn't mind that, but it has to start somewhere. Look, then you've got the Knight of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles again. Divine timing is at play here. Perhaps they do come in to test the waters. This feels like something that long time no speak. They're not really sure what's going on in your world and how you feel about them. That could be contributing to some of the fear and the apprehension and the back and forth, do I not? Give me one for the king. Yeah, okay, thank you. Seven of Pentacles. So then you've got the Two of Wands. Yeah, more waiting around. Look, I think eventually yeah. And this just kind of like flipped in the decks really weirdly came out, so we'll let it. We've got more cards of waiting. We've got the Knight of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Nine of Wands, two Seven of Pentacles here. I would say to you, eventually, it's more like that there's going to have to be like this divine intervention where you guys just like run into each other somewhere. And this one's probably going to like, you know, put their hat over their face and run away. You're a big meanie, right? No, but just not to be funny. It's just, yeah, it's going to take some time. I mean, and I do. I think it's specific to each person as a general reading. But for most of you guys, you're going to be waiting for a while. This person has to gain courage. Something needs to happen. Children. Your love life is being affected by children. That's interesting, isn't it? Maybe they're waiting for their kids to grow, or maybe they're waiting for old age. So they don't have to answer questions. They could be married again. Like I said, well, they could be married. Waiting for their kids to grow up, and then they can do whatever they want. So that's the attitude. You know, till then, perhaps they will live in misery with a total you-know-what. Happens. Hopefully this isn't the case, but it does seem that way for you guys. Please don't unsubscribe because you got the message you probably didn't want to hear. And things do change on the extended, just saying. And that's where I'm heading to now. And I will talk to you there. If not, I will catch you next time. Say hi in the comments. Leave me an emoji if you don't know what to say. It helps. Thanks, guys. Namaste. Okay, so everybody who has chosen the Dream Stone number 3, there you go. The no communication situation. We're going to check it out. Will there be communication? I will try and get you a sort of when. Difficult to do on general reading, and I wasn't prepared for that. So, but I will try. If it comes to me, it does. So these are the Moonology cards. I will choose one. All right. nothing will come of this situation. Oops, no, we don't want that one. I gotta choose a different one. I'm kidding. Obviously, I'm kidding. Blooper. No, I'm kidding. Oh, God. Let's see what happens here. Nothing will come of this situation. Well, it's going to be interesting to see what happens according to the good old tarot. The Rider-Waite. Well, if you don't laugh, then what? You know? Perhaps there was a fight. Perhaps there was an argument. Perhaps there was, you know, a situation of infidelity or something like this. Okay? That's a possibility. So we've got the Four of Swords here and Mr. King of Pentacles. All right, we'll move this up. I hope you guys like the new way I have situated this camera. A little ingenuity. So we've got the Four of Swords and the King of Pentacles here. Someone has some inner work that they have been doing. Your person could have maybe taken a step back to really decide what they want to do as far as life goes. All right? Maybe there's a family involved here. I mean, this could be your husband, your wife, you know, saying to you, I need a break, taking a step back for a minute. We cannot cut that out for a blooper. We're only 3 minutes in. 3 minutes in. Okay. Temperance, Magician. Okay. I'm getting that you, the viewer, you are being tested to keep you cool about something. Your person wants to go ahead and do something on their own. And I'm getting, it's kind of like, I guess the only thing I can get from this is sort of like someone going on like that show, They're Naked and Afraid or whatever. Like, sorry, dear, but, you know, I really would like to go out into the forest and, you know, live off the land for a couple months, you know. I'll talk to you later. You know, I've got to do this. Something said to me, do this. It's off wall. It really is out of left field, you know. Balance and patience. You may feel like you're just being manipulated. That's for someone. For somebody, this is for sure your spouse, your ex-spouse, someone you have children with, maybe even. You've got the Seven of Pentacles there. Divine timing. Eight of Wands. Messages from the forest. The Knight of Wands, Page of Swords. They're watching you from the bushes. Page of Swords is our wounded child. Something, deep inside your person needs some fixing, okay? And they feel like they have to do it alone. Or at least without you. And hey, look, I know it's not funny, all right, obviously, but that's very much what I feel like is going on here. You can let me know. The thing is that, when they do take that look, when they do go in, it's a matter, it's their time when they decide to come back out, so to speak, and reach out to you. They do it. All right, they do. I can see it here. For some of them, they have some childhood stuff that they may need to deal with in order for them to become someone who would be a good partner, a good life mate. Some of them did it in a really weird and nasty way. Some of them maybe just even, I wouldn't say ghosted you, but maybe one or two that did happen. And maybe you thought they fell off the face of the earth. Look at this at the bottom of the deck. We've got the Queen of Pentacles here. So she can sit there. And, she's going to sit there. This is what your person thinks. That you are going to sit and wait for them until they decide to shoot their arrows. Meaning shoot their messages towards you. It'll be more than one. Okay. Some of them need to sow their wild oats. If you are old enough to know what that means, I hope. Some of them, they need to get some... Well, if you know what that means, please put it in the comments so I don't have to describe it here. Okay? They gotta sow their wild oats. Maybe they just never did, and they want to, and feel like they need to, and they want you to wait for them until they do that. That's up to you what you want to do. Right? It's a general reading, but that's pretty much what I'm feeling. We've got the Nine of Cups at the bottom of the deck, and it kind of makes me laugh a little. I have received a comment on one of my really old videos, so I know why. Anyway, somebody wanted to come in to kind of, be like that and say, overindulgence. Nine of Cups, overindulgence. You are toxic. Well, sorry, but the Nine of Cups speaks to us of overindulgence at times. Okay? There's other decks I can show you where it will show you the dude has, in the Grand Lux, if you are so inclined, has a guy with all kinds of wine glasses. He's clearly feeling pretty good. Yeah. So, I mean, this could be part of it. But also, Nine of Cups is wish fulfillment, and having all your cups filled with these wonderful things that you want. And perhaps your person finds that cups will be empty if they don't do the right thing by coming back to at least speak with you. Okay? Yeah, so overindulgence could have something to do with it. Let us get one for the good old Nine of Cups. Also, my tools, my rules. Okay? How about that? And once this membership program gets up there a little bit, I'm going to be doing some private lessons too. Oh, see? Stubborn, eh? Can you please help us understand what the hell the Nine of Cups is doing here? Thank you. Whoop, okay. The Nine of Pentacles. Well, there's a few of them that came around. Hold on. What, you know, watch out what you ask for, right? The Nine of Pentacles. Let's hell with it. The Ten of Wands. Wheel of Fortune, Five of Pentacles, and the Magician. Yeah. Okay, so this person's struggling. With some life lessons here. They're going through a really huge change, this person. They struggle with maybe even finance. They may be trying to be seen as someone who is very stable and secure and steady, but in fact they're really not. In fact, on their inside, it's kind of like they struggle with that insecurity. They need to find themselves. Some of them feel like they've been living some type of a lie, maybe even. But once again, folks, this is a general reading, and I have to leave it as such. And I want to let you know that, yeah, you will be receiving communication from this person. How they return back to you is another story. But, you know, I am going to have an extended for this one. And if you are part of the upper tier on the membership program, the code will, for the free extended, will be in the community tab. Okay? All right. So, if not, I will see you guys next time. Say hello to me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. If you don't know what to say, leave me a heart. I love to see it. All the support keeps it going, right? Namaste. Okay, now we're going to head over to the Peace Stone. No communication. Will there be any? These are the Moonology deck of cards here. I just want to go ahead and fish one out for you. Okay. Nothing is yet set in stone. Mutable moon. All right, now we're gonna head over here to the Arcanum deck. Okay. Your person, communication. Will there be any? You'll see what I did there in a second. We've got the Page of Wands and the Three of Wands. So this combination, okay, this combination, I want to put R's where they don't belong. You'd think I was from the South. No shade towards the South people, just saying. This is my hurry up and wait combination. Hurry up and wait. Okay. So your person, it seems as though they really would like to, reach out to you, start something up with you. However, they have to wait, okay? And we've got this 10 of Wands. There's a struggle going on here. Lots of fire, too. So that's giving us Sagittarius, Leo, and wow, Aries vibes. No, I don't drink, guys. So, in case you're wondering, it looks like Amy's had a few. No, I don't drink. Well, I have to take that back. I do drink tea and water a lot of times. The Knight of Cups. So, look, your person's struggling very, very much with holding this love back that they've got for you. That they are delayed. Interesting. Because they're not even able to speak with you, right? They cannot speak with you right now. What are they, in the witness protection program or something? Interesting. Nothing here tells me that they don't want anything to do with you. They want peace. Spelled that way. So we've got the 8 of Swords here. They think about you a lot. They can move. They can come forward. So no, they're not in the witness protection program. They are able to move. We've got the Page of Cups. The 6 of Cups. There could be something going on here having to do with children. I hope they're not waiting for the children to grow old. Which I don't think so. When this person speaks with you, again, they want to offer you love. They want to offer love in its entirety. They don't want to have meaningless conversations or, what'd you have for dinner last night? And how about that new Netflix show? You know what I mean? This person wants to offer you love. They want to start over. I'm hearing start over. They may have a family right now. They might be married, maybe not. Maybe so. We've got the Queen of Pentacles that just came out. Ace of Cups. The Queen of Pentacles again shows up. She is a very maternal energy, okay? She would be like your kid's mom or your actual mother. She probably has something to do with this here. As far as your person not communicating with you. Uh-huh. You thought it was a stretch, didn't you? Three of Swords, third-party scenes, situations, heartache at the very least. I'll leave that off the table. It was at the bottom of the deck. Let me see here. Well, for sure, this person thinks about you constantly. I wanted to say, let us clarify the Eight of Swords, and look, the Fool jumps out. What do they think about? They think about this new beginning. They think about, you know, jumping up off the couch or coffin, whatever. Running out the door, grabbing the dog, whatever, throwing some peanut butter in their little bag here, and taking off. I also do want to say I feel a distance in miles between you guys too, so it makes sense. Wow. Let's check out who this queen is. This could be an... Oops, sorry, guys. This could be an online thing. Oh, King of Swords. Someone that your person has to cut out of their life. This could be someone... All right, for someone here who's listening, probably a long-time subscriber of mine, maybe, this feels like someone you're speaking with, and they do have a whole entire other family. They could be married, if not married, in a long-term committed relationship. Well, not committed if they're speaking with you, but their other half, whatever, is unaware of you. I'm not saying that, you know, the person's an angel. Probably not. Why would your person be speaking to you if they were? Oh, of course. Check it out. Queen of Swords. Now we're jumping into your person's relationship with another person. So, this is the way it is for this general reading. So, this isn't your reading if your person's not with another person. Maybe you don't know they are. Maybe. But there is opportunity for new love for you here, okay? It's just that your person is detained somewhere. And it looks like with another family. Yeah, see? See how it landed over there? Queen of Cups. I was going to stick it here, and we will. So your person found in you someone who has a great deal of love in their heart. Someone who is extremely worth giving love to. Someone who will give love back. You guys probably have been vulnerable with each other. At least speaking wise. But I do feel like your person's either hiding this from you, okay? Or they did tell you about it. And you're just wondering, is this, you know, what's going to happen here? That Fool, I'm telling you, jumps up middle of the night, packs a bag, makes a sandwich, and heads out the door. Unexpected. Here we go. Someone from your past is returning to your life, of course. And let your friends help you. I don't know how your friends would be helping you with this, unless you have a friend that's good, a good sneaky snake. They can privately investigate. Anyway, just wanted to throw a little humor in there for you in this situation. So there you have it, guys. That's the reading. Those are the messages. I am going over to the extended now. If you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe, I would thoroughly appreciate it. You might want to check out the membership program too if you wanted. And I will talk to you all next time. Namaste. Thank you so much.